Welcome back. In today's video I'll be showing you how to update iOS on your iPhone or iPad. Remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe if the video helps. Let's get into the method. To update iOS, we first need to check if there are any updates available. To do this, open the Settings app and then scroll down and tap on the option called General. Within here, tap on Software Update. On this page, make sure Automatic Updates is turned on, and then below this, it should say if there are any updates ready to install or download. Tap on the option under the available update. It might say download and install. Next, enter your password and agree to the terms. This will begin the download and you need to wait for the blue bar to progress all the way. Once this has completed, a new option should appear below the update called Install Now. All you need to do is tap on this, but remember that this will restart your phone, so make sure you have any open work saved. After this, your phone should start back up with the new update. And so that is how to update iOS on your iPhone or iPad. If you have any questions, then let me know in the comments below, and if you did find today's video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more tips in the future. Be sure to stick around to see some of my other videos that you might be interested in. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in another video.